Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Now many retail traders would have had bearish view about the market because Gift Nifty was indicating 150 to 160 points gap down and US market had fallen by more than 500 points because of negative inflation data and also the geopolitical tension between Israel and Iran. The only positive news that we had about India was our inflation was under control. At the same time, TCS came up with good results. But globally, the market sentiment was bearish. If you evaluate, the negative news in the market was more compared to positive news. Now, during the pre-market also, many people would have noticed that Nifty and Bank Nifty was indicating a big gap down. So many retail traders, as soon as the market opened, when the day's low was broken, definitely they would have entered put option trade. Now even I had a bearish view about the market, but entering put option trade at this zone according to me was not a good idea. So as soon as the market opened, the first thing that we did was identify important support and resistance level both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now within 10 minutes of market open, somewhere around 9:18 to 9:22, in our private Telegram group, I had discussed about important support and resistance level both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can open the chart and see what are the levels. Nifty was very close to the supporting area. If I enter a put option trade somewhere here, definitely I will not get proper risk reward for my trade. Right? I was expecting a pullback both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I waited for some time and then somewhere around 10 o'clock. I shared this 4-minute video. Now in this live market analysis video, while discussing about Bank Nifty, I said at the current zone, entering a put option trade according to me is not a good idea because there is a high chance that Bank Nifty can move towards the upside. Now while speaking about Nifty also, I explain all the logic behind why Nifty has a potential of moving towards the upside from the supporting area. So at the current zone, planning for a put option trade is not a good idea. Only after the pullback we can plan for a put option trade. But near the support zone, I said anyone who's interested in a call option trade with small stop loss, we can look for an opportunity because stop loss is small, target is big. Right now, if you open Nifty chart, you can see exactly from the support level, Nifty made a movement of close to 160 points. Definitely anyone who would have entered put option trade here, they would have ended up in loss, and all those people who thought market is going to fall, all of these people were trapped. Now in Bank Nifty also, you can see from the level which we discussed, we could see a momentum towards the upside. Now the next update was shared somewhere around 10:20, where I said put option premiums are high, so I think market is trying to push itself towards the upside, but I don't think it can fill the gap. I mean this gap. I have shared the resistance level already here. That can be the upper limit. So this is the resistance level which I'm talking about. When Nifty reached this resistance, I clearly said that please be very careful. Nifty is near the upper limit. For call option buyers who have entered at the support, it is time to trail your stop loss to the previous candle. So I mean from the support, whoever entered, trailing your stop loss to the previous candle would have been better. This is what I explained. And I also mentioned that for Bank Nifty, I feel it has reached the upper limit, so no more interested in a call option trade. At what time did I say this? I said this somewhere around 11 o'clock. This was the time, 11 o'clock. If you calculate, Bank Nifty has fallen more than 400 points. And what about Nifty? Nifty from this upper level, without filling the gap, we could see a momentum towards the downside. Now the next update I shared in the private Telegram group was somewhere around 12:10. I said that my view is bearish. My expectation is Bank Nifty has a potential of moving towards the downside, and Nifty also here, my initial expectation was Nifty will make a momentum like this, but instead of this, now Nifty can form a W pattern. From here, Nifty can fall. Nifty formed a W pattern. From here, there was a continuous momentum towards the downside. Now traders, to a certain extent, everything that we discussed in the private Telegram group today worked perfectly. Now what I've done is this 4.5-minute video and this second update video, both are forwarded to our free Telegram channel. I would suggest you to go and check this out because there is a lot of useful information related to price action, stop loss hunting and trade psychology explained in this video. Definitely in the future, it might be useful for you. Okay, so this was about today's trade. Now let's see how we can plan our day for tomorrow. Now traders, before we analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty chart, there are two important factors that we need to take into consideration. The first thing is tomorrow is not just Fin Nifty expiry, it is also Bank Nifty expiry because Wednesday market is closed. So tomorrow is Bank Nifty expiry, take that into consideration. Now the second important update is new tax rules for foreign investors. Now in India, if someone is investing, they have a tax. At the same time, people from abroad, if they invest, they will have more taxes. But what our government did was, for Mauritius country, they said you are going to get tax benefit. People who wanted to invest in India, they used to round their money from Mauritius and they used to invest in India. But now on Thursday or Friday, the government has said no longer you will be receiving tax benefit. Until last financial year, whatever you got, that's it. Now there is no more tax benefit. Now this is a negative news for foreign investors. Now this can be one of the reason why our market has fallen even further. What I feel is today they would have pushed the market towards the downside, but they need fair price for their exit, because of which they can tomorrow keep our market on hold. Maybe near the support they can hold our market, or they can take our market even further. From upper level they can push our market towards the downside, so that when they exit they get better exit price. Okay, this up move is just my guess. Maybe it can happen or it might not happen. But while analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty chart, I will take this factor into consideration for a reason for the market to pull back before it falls. Okay, let me make that very clear. This is just my guess. With that approach, let's analyze the market. Traders, what you're looking at right now is a chart of Bank Nifty 5 minutes time frame. Today, Bank Nifty has created a low, right? Now, previously, this is the area from where Bank Nifty started to move towards the upside. But what you would observe here is there was a gap here. Still, the market has not filled this gap. Here, I have marked a range between 47,750, 47,650. This is a range where I expect the market to trap put option buyers. What do I mean by this is, let's say market opened somewhere here or it gave a breakdown. Immediately, I'm not going to plan for a put option trade, because looking at this breakdown, many people would enter, but I strongly feel after this breakdown, market can make a W pattern setup like this, where with small stop loss, I might have a call option trade. If Bank Nifty starts to move towards the upside, I expect Bank Nifty to reach 47,900 to 47,950. So this is a call option trading setup which we have. Instead of this, let's say we draw a trend line like this, right? Continuously this level is acting as a resistance. Now in case Bank Nifty opens with a gap up somewhere here or here, it gives a breakout. Some people might think about entering a call, maybe if it goes above 48,000. At this upper level, I don't think market has a potential of filling this gap. So from this upper level, if I get any bearish setup, market forming any kind of double top setup, here I will plan for a put option trade where these levels will be my target towards the downside. This is a psychological level, but viewers, market might not move towards the upside to fill the previous gap. Maybe you can see in the past there was a trend line here, right? This trend line, if you extend resistance 1, 2, 3, and at this upper level, market can again move towards the downside. So this will become our fourth resistance. With that view at the upper level, I'll be looking for a put option trade in Bank Nifty. But for many retail traders, what they can do is you draw a trend line like this. Okay, market fell and now it is trying to hold on to its range. We know the support, we know the trendline resistance. As long as market is trading within this range tomorrow, that too tomorrow's Bank Nifty expiry. During this expiry, if market is holding on to a range, we will be trapped. Patiently waiting for market to consolidate within this area is better. Let it come out of this zone. That time we will be looking for a call option trade, or if Bank Nifty at the lower zone after holding for a longer duration, if it breaks this level, then with small stop loss towards the upside, we will plan for a put. Then our next target can be 47,500 level. Now traders, with this view, I'm approaching Bank Nifty tomorrow at the lower level. There might be a call option trade. At the upper level, there might be put option trade. For many retail traders here, planning for any trade is not a good idea as long as it breaks towards the upside or downside. In case my view changes, I will update you in the free Telegram channel during the pre-market report. Traders, this is 30 minutes time frame chart of Nifty. I've considered this time frame to explain where are the important support and resistance level on the chart. You see, first important support level is 22,250. Market created a double bottom here. Previously from this area, market moved towards the upside. And in the past also you can see this is the area from where market has shown some bullishness. So please mark this level on the chart. Now the next area which I have marked is 22,190. Previously this level was acting as a resistance area, right? But once this area is broken, now this can act as the next supporting area in the market, which is 22,200 level, all right, around this. Now the next important level which I have marked is 22,380. Previously this was the support. Now this is acting as a resistance. Now I feel in case Nifty opens somewhere here or here, and if it is just consolidating within this range during the first half, planning for any kind of trade is not a good idea. Maybe better trading opportunity will come during the second half, where market holds the upper level. From here, if it breaks, it has a chance of filling this gap. That time we can look for a call option trade, or after consolidating for a longer duration here. Okay, if market gives a breakdown here, we might have a put option trading opportunity towards the downside, where this is the range where we have to plan our exit or at least trail a stop loss. So if Nifty is opening anywhere within this range, it is important that we be very careful. But what if Nifty opens gap down somewhere here or here? Many people will think about entering a put option after this fall. This is a crucial level, 22,220, which is also 618 level of Fibonacci. Here, if market makes any kind of W pattern setup, and if you have entered put option trade, definitely you will be trapped in case market moves up to 22,300 area. Instead of entering at this breakdown, wait for a pullback. Then if the day's low is broken, then with small stop loss you can plan for a put. Look for the next targets in the market. Definitely tomorrow morning I will discuss about important support and resistance level in our private Telegram group. In pre-market report also, what can be the next important levels we will discuss. But what if market opens with a gap up, and if this level is broken, market can hold on to this range during the first half. Then we have to wait and see if it's moving towards the upside or downside. To a certain extent, Nifty has not made that much big movement compared to Bank Nifty. It was staying within a range. Yes, we captured both the movement, but this has become our upper range and lower range now. If market is opening somewhere in between, then it is better that we wait and see if the buyers are strong or sellers are strong. Based on that, planning our trade would be a better decision for us for tomorrow. In case market is just holding on to this range and closing tomorrow, then on Thursday we can expect a bigger momentum in Nifty. Based on that, we can plan our trade. Now traders, compared to before, it is taking twice as much as time for me to record analysis video, because I'm showing my face and recording environment has to be good. Along with that, I'm including the global news. We are discussing about what happened in today's market. So from my end, I'm trying my best to improve from what we were before. If you like the efforts that we are putting, then share your support by liking our video and subscribing to the channel. It will motivate us to improve even further. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.